Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial we'll be developing the admin panel. So in the previous tutorial we developed the login panel. So here if I give the username, before that I just open this PHP myadmin. I'm using WAMP server, and here HMSTV, this is the login table, and you can see I have the username and password. So I will be entering here admin and password, let's say pass, and see this is the admin panel we have logged in. Okay, so now we'll be designing this admin panel. So let's open the admin.php and let's have HTML over here, and first let's give a div, let's say this is a jumbotron. Okay, and we'll give this a little styling. We'll download an image, hospital management images. So I'll be downloading a image. Okay, so let's set this one. No, this one clarity is bit, yeah, this will do. So let me save this. Let's go to yeah, images, and here I will be saving this as number 3. Okay, that will do. Now this is our admin panel, and here let me give the background and URL. Let me give here images-3.jpg. let's see what happened. Oh, I didn't add the bootstrap. Let me open index. Just let me copy this head and paste it here, and this is the index which I have created earlier. This is the script of the bootstrap. I'll be adding at the bottom. So now let's see. Yeah, but I need to increase this size. So let's say height, let's say 400 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, and I can give here no cover, background size, cover. Let's see. Okay, I can just give this no repeat, and just let's see if I give this contain, what happens. No, cover will do. Okay, let's just reduce this height. Let's do say 300 pixel. It's too much. I think I will give some other image. Hospital, because that image is not suiting it. Let's see. Let's give this one only. Okay, we'll be using that only. This one size, let's see the size first. This one is a little bigger. Let's use number 2 and see what happens, or else I will be using that one. Okay, I'll use this. Clarity is a little bit good, so let's say 3 and just replace that. Yeah, and let me give you a 3. Yeah, now this looks a little bit better. Okay, and now here I'll be giving the controls. Let's say, let's give a div, and let's give a class of row. Before that, let's give div class container, and let's close this. And here I'll give div class call md first one, and then I'll just copy this. Let's give 3, so we are done here. 4, and so more 8, so let's give here, let's say 7 and one more 1. Yeah, and here in the second one I'll be adding this div class list group. Okay, and here a, and here class list group item and active, and let's give a class list group item, and let's say here I'll be giving categories. Okay, and here I'll be giving patient list. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, this one is too large, so I'll just reduce this. That's the container fluid. Okay, I think that will do. Yeah, but this one's still okay. This let's reduce to 2, and let's increase this size to 8. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, so this will be the place. Okay, let's just remove this one. So let's see now. Let's give this 3. Yeah, now it's looking better. Okay, so I'll just copy this part. I'll just okay, So now I'll just copy this one. We will just give oh boy, let's just copy this and paste it here, and now this one will be add new patient. Okay, and this one let's say payment. Okay, and payment or checkout. Okay, so let's see this 3, and now and this one will be for this one is for let's say patient. Okay, patients. Okay, patient details, and now see, so we have the patient list. Okay, so we'll be using this. Now let's give another for staff, and I'll be using this place, I think. Okay, now let's just copy this entire thing and place it here, and let's give a HR for, let's see, and we have this, there is a little bit of line also. So here we'll be giving for staff members. Okay, so staff, and here I'll be giving, sorry about deleting this, I just need to give the staff staff details. This will be staff details, add new staff. Okay, and now this one, let's say X staff members. Okay, so for now let's give this, or remove staff members, we can say remove. Okay, staff member, whatever. Now this one is staff, and this place let's give a this place, I think I'll be giving a card or something. Let's give a div class card. Let's see if card looks nice. Div class card body, and I need to just copy this twice. Let's just use background color. Oh, 1 minute. Style, background, color, and color. let's say this one, FFF, yeah, and let's say 333, 333, and let's see this, yeah. So we have this. Okay, now I think I'll be changing this color also, blue. I'll change it to this only, or okay, or let's change this to blue. Actually that will look fine. So HTML color codes here, let's get it blue. Let's do things fast. Okay, so let's just change this to blue, and let's see. Yeah, I don't think that will match this blue. Oh boy, what happened? Oh, yeah, yeah, this one is a little light, so I need to change that also. Or okay, so let's group this active one. I need to give a style, and just give this, and here border color, and I'll be pasting this color only. And I'll just copy this to the other one, and here you go, we have the same color and this looks fine. Okay, so now I'll just add the body over here. Here we will have our workings. Okay, so this is the card body where we'll be working. Okay, so let's say patient, for patient details first we'll be giving, let's just remove this patient details. Actually we'll be giving it here, or add a new patient will be payment and checkout, we won't be giving here. Add a new patient, add a staff, let it be there. So so now we'll be creating a form. Form, and we'll give it a class of form group. We'll give it a action, and it will be at func.php, and method will be post. Here we'll give it a label of first name. We'll give input type is text, if name, class will be form control, and here we'll give it a break. Okay, now we'll copy this a couple of times. This will be last name, lname. This will be email ID, email. This will be contact, and this will be doctor appointment, and this will be contact, this will be doctor's appointment. Let's change this one to select option, okay, and let's give this a class of form control, and here we need a value. You need to remember that what will be in the value will be shown in the database, but what is here will be shown to the user, right. So let's say we have Dr. Sharma, okay, so we have Dr. Sharma. Let's copy this, and we need to give here also Dr. Sharma, okay, and let's say we have time, let's say from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. okay. So Dr. Sharma from, just paste this here, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and let's say we have one more, and this will be Dr. Shetty from, let's say, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and this will be Shetty from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now we have to give a submit button. So input type is submit, name let's say Pat, submit, and value let's say enter patient, enter appointment, let's say appointment, okay. So this is for, this is a form, and let's say we will give here a H3, this is, or let's say we will be giving here, yeah, here I will be giving a H3, and let's say book an appointment, okay. So book an appointment, and here is first name, last name, email ID, contact, okay, and this, okay. So our form is ready. Let's see, we have book an appointment, okay. I need to change this, let's not give this over here, and let's just give here a class of btn primary, and here we go, okay. It looks little better, okay, and at the same time it will be responsive. So see, so Bootstrap is working, and we have our form ready, see, okay. Now we will go to the backend part, So we'll go to function, and if is set post pet submit, then we'll be working on our queries. But before that we need to create a table. Okay, so create a new table, and we'll require how many? 1 minute. 1 2 3 4 and 5, so we will be requiring 5. So let's add one more, and let's give here first is f name. This will be fair, oh, fair chair, let's say 40, and l name varchar 40, email, first is email or contact, I need to see. Yeah, email varchar is again 40. Now is contact varchar 40, and we have our doc app for doctor's appointment. This is varchar, and let's say this one is 60. Since we are giving the entire this, so it might take a little bit of more space, and let's create, oh, table name, sorry. So table name will be doctor's appointment. Okay, pet app, let's say, or let's say doctor app, doctor appointment. Okay, doctor app and TB also, okay, doctor app, whatever, and let's create it. Yeah, doctor app, and see, now we will be working on our backend. So query equals, before writing the query we will be requiring this f name equals post, and here we'll give f name. Now we'll just copy this a couple of times. Okay, so 1 2 4 and 5. So this will be l name, this will be email, this will be okay. So now we'll write our query. Insert into doctor app. This is our table name, values. Okay, and this is the place where we'll be inserting. So first is f name, then is l name, then is email, then is contact, and then is doc app, doctor appointment. Now the values, so 2 3 4 and 5, and here here l name, email, contact, and doc app. So this is it, and now result equals mysqli query con and our query. Okay, so what is con? Con is actually this variable. Okay, now if result, okay, then 1 minute, I'll just copy this. If result, then we'll change this to appointment registered. Okay, and it will move to the same page, admin panel. So now let's see, refresh the page and let's insert a value. Let's say Ravi Malhotra, doctor, oh, email, this is email. Okay, so rm@yahoo.com, contact, let's say 9876543221, and let's say we are going to appoint Dr. Shetty and enter appointment registered, and it will refresh back to the same page. And let's see whether it has come over here. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, so you can see that this details is available over here now. Okay, so this was the first part, okay, where we have just learned how to book an appointment using insertion within the database, and we have created this beautiful looking page using Bootstrap. So thanks for watching. In the next video we'll complete the rest of the admin panel. Thank you.